We are trying to figure out the remainder when k plus 2, k cubed minus k is divisible by 6. Let's work on the numerator. Bring over the k plus 2. It's a common factor of k, so factor that out. And that will leave you k squared minus 1. Another way to write 6 is 2 times 3. We'll see. If we want to think of it as 2 and 3, or maybe it's a 6. We'll see in a minute. Let's further factor the numerator. You got k plus 2, a k plus 1, and a k minus 1. That's how this factors, k plus 1, k minus 1. All over 2 times 3. Now look what we have here. If you have the number k, which is this one, the number before that one is k minus 1, which is that. The number after k is k plus 1, and the one after k plus 1 is k plus 1 plus 1, or k plus 2. All over 2 times 3. Now let's use our property. The product, which is what we have, all these consecutive integers are multiplied. The product of n consecutive integers is always divisible by n. Well, how many integers do we have? We have 1 integer, 2 integer, 3 integer, 4 integer. So 4 factorial, that means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. The product of n consecutive integers is always divisible by whatever that number is. So this numerator will be divisible by 24. And of course, a 2 and a 3 or a 6 will go into it evenly. So your remainder is going to be 0.